People, mama. Caramba, conhece? When? People, mama, no. Caramba, mama, no. Amigo, conhece con dice no vaya a saber vaya luchando, grabando.
Not again, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. May the good Lord heal this our Nollywood actor. And I know the man very well now. Amachi Muonagor. May God heal you, sir. Guys, when I don't see this video, they go viral since 2-3 days. I just want to do this video because we are here to spread good news. And the one, even if it is bad, we're gonna spread it so that people will get to notice and know what is going on. And we stand on the truth side to help people out, that is our work. So I'm doing this video to show people in my platform so that you can share this video for me, because our brother here needs serious help from all of us, because I will not exclude myself. If you are watching this video, please touch the share button and share the video. Don't watch alone, because this video everybody is making it to go viral. So that anyone that have anything they have, you can also contribute and support. You go to a platform or go to the Adadiche, you will see the account number, the detail, everything. He posted it because almost everybody is sharing the video. It's in critical condition that he needs help of everybody. So we can see how he talks. He can talk well, and he have a partial stroke according to the news that's trending in social media. He have a partial stroke, yes, stroke, and also have a kidney infection problem. And now they are looking for money. Ga flyer, ga abroad, ga Udana for India, Gajiga made transplant. You can see that he's already swelled up. And he's the only person that have kidney problem. This kind of thing can happen. So the man is not in good condition, in good terms, and he needs help from all of us. If you are hearing my voice, that is why I'm using broken button and English the way I can speak, so that everybody will hear this, because this is a public announcement and the information, the breaking news that is trending now. This is the topic that trending everywhere. So please share the video. Don't watch alone, and please don't forget to drop sorry and quick recovery comment in the comment section. If you are watching on YouTube, please share and drop your quick recovery message. And if you are watching for Facebook, the same thing, do the same. Please, guys, please, if you are watching, please share the video. Share if you want this video to go viral, so the other people will see it. People that have not seen the video yet will see it. So we are doing this work, humanitarian work. So that is my work, and talk about God and celebrate the good things and say no to evil. So I'm doing this for other people that did not see the video yet, because I know that not everybody have seen this video. The video have going viral already, but it's not everybody. So that is why I brought it here. Please, now please, everybody, they please, they beg for the situation of our brother, our Nollywood actor. You know, this man had to make our days, had them try and give us, make us happy, make us laugh. You guys remember Mr. Ibu just died recently, about 2 weeks ago now. So let's help this man so that he will not come and see when this no more, everybody will come and celebrate his death and say rest in peace, sir. May God accept your gentle soul. Now, never the right to rest in peace. What you will do now is to share this video. Put your hand in share button. Share this video so other people will see the post and also share it as well until it get to reach a good Samaritan and people that have the money to help, because there's people that still have the money, they can help as well. So may God bless you as you do. So as you put the share button, as you also celebrate the life of the man now that is not yet dead, so that you will not tomorrow you come out and begin to say RIP. Please, we don't need it now. We have had enough. We have had enough. We don't need it at all. So may God just heal him. May God just take control over everything, over his sickness, everything that happened to him right now, whenever he is. I pray God's protection, God's healing upon his life. So, guys, that is the breaking news now. That is the thing I say make I bring for now the month, so that I go hear now from Adadiche. Please let us help. Help. We need the help from our Nollywood actor here. Amachi Muonagor. You guys know the man very well. He's a veteran actor. So please, I don't know what is happening in Nollywood. A lot of people are going down every day by day. We just lost Mr. Ibu some days ago now, some weeks ago. Now it's this one again that is a critical condition, which you need everybody's help. Please, if you are watching, don't watch alone. Share the video, like, and give us your thoughts in the comment section, what you think about the video, what you think about this information. So please always come back and watch my video, and this is where you get allergic news, allergic training news that is working in social media. See you again in my next video. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.